What's up YouTube? My name is Kenneth. Today I'm going to show you guys something a little different. This is a puzzle box from Siebenstein Spiele, which is a puzzle company. This is a German company that makes these really cool kind of wooden puzzles. They have a whole series of puzzles, and then they have a series of these puzzle boxes. So this is number one. I thought I'd start at the beginning and see if I can figure out how to open this. Right now I have no clue. I shake it, there's no sound, no rattling. Nothing seems to move. And it just seems like it's 5 solid pieces of wood and a piece of acrylic kind of clamped together with these screws. And so yeah, nothing wants to move. I have no clue. So I'm going to play with it a little bit and I'll let you guys know kind of how it goes. So it only took me actually a couple minutes. As soon as I turned the camera off, I was able to open the puzzle. It's actually kind of pretty simple puzzle, very simple mechanism, I guess you would say. And I can tell that this is one of those kind of puzzles where you're either going to open it quickly or you're probably going to like struggle forever and not figure it out. It's kind of an interesting puzzle in that way. It was a difficulty level 7, I believe, which to me, this is more like a 3. So I don't know if it was just the way I like easily figured it out or what the deal is with that. First, I'm going to talk about the first few things I tried. Then I'm going to cut and kind of like, I don't want to spoil it for anyone who's interested in getting this box, because you know, if you want to get it and I show you how to solve it, it really is going to spoil the fun of this puzzle. So let me first talk about kind of what I tried, and then we'll cut away and then can skip to the end. So yeah, so first anyway, what I tried, like I said, I tried shaking it, I tried listening. You know, I was wondering if maybe there was like a magnetic pin in there, and if I knocked it out, the pin would drop and then something would move. So, you know, I tried hitting it, shaking it, nothing rattled. I was trying to take a look at some of these layers. I could feel some slight movement in some of the layers. So I tried looking at that. Then I started thinking about these pins and trying to figure out, like, you know, this pin that goes through the puzzle like that. Well, maybe one doesn't go all the way through, or what's going on, trying to figure that out. And so then I tried kind of twisting the puzzle, trying to like give it some torque, because if it doesn't go all the way through, maybe I can, like, you know, twist it open or something like that. So I tried that, and then anyway, I solved it after playing with it just for a few minutes. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys now. So definitely cut away if you're not interested in seeing the solution to this puzzle. So after kind of trying to play with it and kind of twist it like that, I just really gave it some pressure, and guess what? It just opens up. Can you believe that? Anyway, there's just some really powerful magnets that keep this connected, and I was able to just pry it open, and I'm making it look really easy right now, but it's actually extremely hard. If I hold it like this and I'm trying to just pull it apart, yeah, it's just extremely strong. And you've got these, I was right, so these pins don't actually go all the way through the puzzle or the box. And anyway, I was really excited about that. One thing that happened though, I was a little disappointed about. When I opened it up for the first time, this magnet here came out and was connected to that magnet there. So the glue didn't hold, and I was really bummed about that. So anyway, I super glued it back in, but the super glue, it stuck way faster than I expected, and it wasn't flush to the wood, and it made it so that it kind of didn't shut anymore. So I ended up having to get my Dremel and kind of polish that flat again. And you can see I've kind of damaged the surrounding wood, which is too bad. I was really bummed about that. But anyway, I got the puzzle back to a strong, good working order, which I'm really happy about. So I think it's a beautiful box. I'm really excited to have it. I can't wait to take it to work, see what other people think, see if they struggle with it. I found it a bit on the easy side, so I'm curious to see if other people really struggle. But yeah, I think it's really gorgeous. I'm really excited to try more of these kind of European puzzle boxes. I have at least one more to show, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below, if you guys like these kind of European puzzle boxes, and if I should do more of those. That's pretty much it. So if you're interested in buying one of these, definitely click the link in the description. That'll take you to Puzzlemaster, who provided this puzzle to me, and that's an affiliate link. So if you use that, it helps me out. It really kind of helps support this channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're early, say hi. If you're not, consider hitting that little bell. That way you're notified when the next video comes out. Thanks guys for watching, and of course, have a great day.